Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today, students are learning how to program the robot Dash. Check it out. So this is our robot Dash, and he can be wirelessly programmed using block coding to do all kinds of neat things. Students use their Chromebook and they go to block coding on makewonder.com to wirelessly code their robot Dash to do all kinds of challenges. This first challenge, it says to teach Dash to drive forward, turn all of his lights red, all of his lights green, look left, turn left, and then look forward. So in block coding, over here on your left, you have all of your codes that you can connect to this first block to tell Dash what to do. So the first one, it says to drive forward. So I would click on drive forward, and I would simply connect it to the first block. Then it says to turn all lights red. So I go over here to lights, I click on all lights, I connect it to the next block, but I code it red and it's already coded red. And it says turn all lights green. So I take another light block and I bring it over here, but I click on it and I change it to green. And then the next it says look left. So I click on look and I find the block that says left and I connect that block in sequence. And it says turn left, so I go over here to drive. I find the turn left block and I connect that in sequence. And then it says, after you look left and turn left, it says make him look forward. So I go over here to look, and you notice that you have up, left, and voice. If you click on look left, you can code it by simply dragging the arrow to where it says forward. Okay, so here's my block code for all these commands. When I hit this green button over here wirelessly, my robot will follow those code commands. Here we go. There he goes. You see the color changes, he's turning.
Okay.
And he did all of our commands. And then on your site, on your Chromebook, it'll tell you on Make Wonder that you completed that puzzle, and then you go on to the next puzzle, and it'll tell you what he needs to do. Now you're gonna program Dash to nod looking down, look up, look straight, and then make him say hi. And then you go over here and you have your code commands that you can block code to this first one. So for students who aren't quite ready to learn binary or to write JavaScript, block coding is a great way to introduce them to coding robots in a fun, interactive way where they can simply drag these blocks that have binary written behind them to carry out commands for their robot. I hope you enjoyed today's lab.